Hey! So today it's time for another review. It's been a while because I've been sick lately. I'm not feeling good, I'm not feeling well. But today I'm feeling better, feeling hips better. And remember, I reviewed this cute device here. It's the Wi-Fi adapter, right? It's good. It has been used for a while, but this is only 2.4G. And lately, we had a typhoon, and my router just fed 5G Wi-Fi only, and this doesn't support this. And I wasn't able to connect to my Wi-Fi router here in my office. So I ordered this one, which supports 5G obviously, and I think it came highly recommended and from a reputable brand. So I just want to review this before we go on, and I'll share to you my experience with it once I've tried it. But for now, this is just a review of this device and how it looks. So basically an unboxing and unpacking and a preview of how it looks. So there you go. It's called an AC1300 from TP-Link, and it's an they call it also as Archer T3U. I'm not sure what that is, but here are the details. You can pause the video to see the speeds for the 5. So it's dual band and it's USB 3.0. And there you go. It has a warranty, and it's world's #1. TP-Link is a popular brand for wireless stuff, and as you can see, it supports Windows and Mac. So there you go. This is basically how it looks in the box, and then this is on the sides here, right on the back. So I'm just gonna preview it a little bit. So it says here, it receives Wi-Fi signals on 2 separate bands for all your online needs, boosted through with MU-MIMO or MIMO technology. Can produce 2 simultaneous data streams, and it's mini and mighty according to its description. And here it's written the package contents. It's going to contain the wireless device, a quick installation guide, and a resource CD. I'm not sure what the resource CD is, but here are the specifications, which is more important for you who are watching this video. It's standard IEEE. Oh, sorry about that. It's 802.11bg and 2.4 gigahertz. And yeah, there's a LED status, securities, all of those stuff, basic stuff, basically how you use this device. So I'm just gonna open it. Then there's this one right here, plastic tab. It has an NTC sticker, and then you just pull this out. Basic, right? Contains a CD, as they said. I'm just gonna remove that one. Nothing else on inside the box. And you have this quick guide, right? For Windows, and then the device. This is what's important for us. Here's the device, right? And there you go. So let me peel up this plastic covering device. So it's shiny black, as you can see here. It has some sort of transparent area here, which is probably going to be the light area. It's going to blink, and then that's basically it. It's pretty cool looking, right? There you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug it in, set it up, let you know my experiences about it. So basically, I plug it in, but I advise you to, if you don't have a CD-ROM drive, to download first the driver from the website of TP-Link. And this is not the model number, this is the model number. So that's the one that you put in on TP-Link throughput.com/download-center. So you put this in, then you choose the proper driver for your device, and then have it as a zip file on your download folder, extract it, and before you plug your device in, make sure that file is ready. Plug your device, double click the setup.exe file, and in about 5 to 6 minutes you're set. Then you're ready to connect your Wi-Fi. So for my experience, don't be alarmed when you first connect to your Wi-Fi. It's gonna turn off itself, disappear, and then reconnect. And then after that, it's pretty stable, stabler than the first one that I purchased. So I guess, guys, this is the best solution for those of you who are experiencing Wi-Fi issues. You need a Wi-Fi dongle. This is the solution that is pretty balanced between quality and price. So thanks for watching, and continue to subscribe to my channel and like my videos.